Hello everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Jiangsu Baogang Stainless Steel Company. First, let's visit our raw materials warehouse. We are a professional steel products manufacturer with good experience of manufacturing and export. Behind of me, this is our stainless steel on-coil machine. Combined with our expensive coil inventory, this equipment enables stainless to reduce delivery times, even for special lengths, while providing our customers with improved flatness and quality. We can see these are our finished products. We cooperate with many partners all over the world, such as America, Europe, the Middle East, and so on. Then we are going to visit our stainless steel leveling machine. Next to me, this is our laser cutting equipment. We can see this is our bending machine. Let's take a closer look at them. At the end, I will show you our stainless steel slitting machine. The length can be customized according to customers' requirements. Our standing stock is sufficient, the customized production is fast, and the delivery is timely.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.